What if you could turn any blog post, script, or even just a few ideas into a stunning video, complete with a human-like voice, in just minutes? Sounds almost too good to be true, right? Well, today we're diving deep into a game-changing tool called Flicky OII. If you're a content creator or marketer constantly battling deadlines and high production costs, this video is about to open your eyes to a whole new world of efficiency. Forget the endless hours of editing and the struggle to find expensive voice actors. Flicky is here to give you some serious content superpowers. Think about this. You've spent hours crafting an amazing blog post brimming with valuable insights. It's a masterpiece of text, but the analytics tell a different story. Not enough eyes on it. Why? Because in today's fast-paced digital world, people often prefer to watch rather than read. But then you hit a wall. Recording yourself, editing complex footage, finding decent stock visuals, or hiring a professional voiceover artist. It's a mountain of work, and let's be honest, often a budget killer. I've been there pulling my hair out, wishing for a magic wand to turn my words into engaging videos instantly. This is exactly where Fliki AI steps in, and it's less of a wand and more like having a full production team working tirelessly for you right in your browser. Let's talk about some of its top recipes, the ways it cooks up incredible content. First up, and probably one of its most impressive ingredients, are its AI voices. We're not talking about those old, robotic, monotone voices that sound like a tired GPS giving directions. Flicky boasts an incredible library of hundreds of incredibly natural-sounding voices, spanning dozens of languages and accents. You can pick male, female, even adjust the speaking style or emotion to fit your script perfectly. It's like having access to a global talent pool of voice actors without the hefty price tag or scheduling nightmares. Next, imagine this. You paste your text, and Flicky, like a super smart assistant, instantly suggests relevant images and video clips from its massive library of millions of assets. You want a scene about innovation? Bam, it pulls up futuristic tech. Relaxing beach? Instant paradise. This isn't just about slapping clips together, it's intelligently matching visuals to your story, making your videos engaging and professional. This text-to-video magic is truly Flicky's main course. You literally give it words, and it gives you a finished video. You can even bring in your own audio or video if you want, but the real power is how it crafts an entire visual narrative with minimal effort from you. For marketers and content creators, this tool is pure gold. Need a dozen variations of an ad for A/B testing? Flicky can whip them up in a flash. Want to translate your best-performing content into multiple languages to reach new markets? Done in minutes. It drastically cuts down video production time from days or even weeks to mere moments, letting you focus on strategy and creativity, not tedious, time-consuming tasks. Whether it's short social media ads, detailed explainer videos, or even full audiobooks and podcasts, Flicky simplifies it all. So, if you've ever felt overwhelmed by the relentless demand for consistent, high-quality video content, or if you're a marketer looking to truly scale your video campaigns without blowing your entire budget, Fliki AI isn't just another tool, it's your indispensable secret weapon. It transforms your ideas into polished, professional videos faster than you ever thought possible. It's like having a full video production studio working for you 24/7, right at your fingertips. Fliki AI isn't just helping you create videos, it's empowering you to tell your stories, reach more people, and grow your brand with incredible efficiency and creativity. It's intuitive, powerful, and honestly a joy to use once you get the hang of it. If you're ready to supercharge your content creation, click the link in the description below to access Fliki AI for content creators and marketers.